Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make money with Sweatcoin. So let's get into the video. First of all, open up Sweatcoin application. So you can just download it from your Play Store or Google Store. So you can just download it, and once you have downloaded your Sweatcoin application, so click on it and then log in if you haven't. So you can easily log in with your Google ID as well, or you can just create your own account. So that's it's pretty easy and straightforward. So once you're on your account here, so Sweatcoins has launched their own cryptocurrency, which is the coin. So Sweatcoin, so you can earn coins, Sweatcoins, you can earn coins known as Sweatcoins through this app here, so which you can use to make any purchase and all the other things. You can buy stuff with it. So that's pretty much it. So what you can do is, how you can earn those coins is by walking steps. All right, so for example here, when you first launch your application, or when you just registered, you'll have to walk like 1,000 steps to generate one sweat coin. So if you can do like 1,000 steps, then you'll give you one sweat coin, and you can check how much balance or how much worth that sweat coin is by using the or by browsing the shop balance. And you can check what can you buy with one sweat coin. Basically you can't really buy much with one sweat coin, so you need more. So you need to like generate or earn more coins by walking more steps. So at the moment, if 1,000 will give you one sweat coin, so you just have to work more. So integrate this function, this app with your Google, with your Smart Fit watch, or your Google Fit application. And then so in that way, so whenever you are making any steps, when you're doing any walking any steps, then it will be generated. So it will be calculated as steps, and then that's pretty much it. So the more you walk steps, the more you will earn coins here. So you just simply have to walk, and that's pretty much it. That's how you make money by using Sweatcoin. So hope this information is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.